In this short tutorial, we will explore the basic layout and menus inside Blackboard's Collaborate Ultra. To begin, we will navigate to the Session menu in the upper left-hand corner. Here we will find the name of the session, the Start Recording function for recording, Use Your Phone for Audio feature, and the various areas for reporting issues and finding support for Collaborate Ultra. In the lower left corner, Leave Session will remove us from this room. And we can close the Session menu. The purple tab in the lower right corner will open the Collaborate panel. Here we can define our settings for audio and video, notifications from our participants, and session settings for our participants. This is all accessed from the Settings tab that looks like a gear icon. To the left of this, we see our Share Content tab. This is where we define the primary and secondary content for viewing. This is also the location where we can set and define groups. Our Attendees tab shows all participants in the room at any given time. It can also be repositioned by grabbing and dropping the panel in the room. To remove the panel, just drag it back. The chat window is where you and your participants can have text chat. In the center of the screen, you'll also be able to set your status and settings, choose whether or not you're sharing audio or video, and additionally raise your hand as a participant. I hope that you found this short tutorial helpful. For more information, visit us at the Faculty Center for the Advancement of Teaching and Learning.